Lord, we want to meet Lord Vishnu.
Ha 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 ha! You little boys, have you ran away from home?
Get out of here, Quinton. Lord, not to be disturbed, or else I will throw you out.
You guys are becoming insolent. You don't know who we are. Little boys from little homes. Go and play somewhere else.
Jay, I think we should throw them away.
You will be punished for your insolence.
We curse you that you will be born on earth as seven kings and suffer for your insolence.
Who are you little boys who speak like great men? We are four rishis. He is Kapila, he is Agaman, he is Sagatan, and I am Sana.
Pardon us, great rishis, we cannot recognize you in your child's robes.
Vishnu brings protect the children. Om Tat Vishnu Sada Pasyante.
Oh, great rishis, you're most welcome to my visitor. Why are my dwarf forms on the floor?
They refuse us to enter into Vaikuntha and meet you. We curse them that they will be born on earth as seven kings.
Pardon us, great rishis. On our end, please pardon us. We cannot take back our words. Only Lord Vishnu can give you mukti.
Day, you will have to be born on earth as demon kings. The great rishi words are to be carried. However, I promise to give you mukti in your earthly life lifetime. One must suffer sin, one commits. My honored guest.